Ceiling fan blades are designed to last, but eventually you may need or want to replace them. This short video will show you how. Here's what you'll need. To start, check your fan's owner's manual for the correct replacement style. Or you can measure your ceiling fan blades. Use a step stool to easily access the fan blades. Then, use a screwdriver to remove screws and remove the blade from the fan's housing. Some styles may just snap on. Now, measure the length of the blade to find the proper replacement size. Once you have your new blades, start replacing the blades one by one using the original screws. Check to make sure they are firmly in place before turning your fan on. Inspect for any movement or wobbling and secure if needed. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.